Just out here trying to brush this boy before he gets fur all over the damn car.
Look at that! Gosh.
Fur ball. What do you have to say for yourself? What do you have to tell the people at home? What's up, Tubicitos? Just on the precipice of us getting back home from Colorado, we're going to Vado New Mexico for a little glamping cabin trip. Can't stop us now, baby.
What's the downside, though?
Your job.
Oh.
She's like, wait, no, but really, what's the downside?
But I like pastries.
There's no downside to these pastries.
On the downside, the berries in the pastry were moldy. And your turn, Mom, with the upside.
On the upside, the mold in the berries had health.
Z, what are you doing?
Then your cabin side salsing.
I like camping.
That works pretty good, huh?
You're stuck here, buddy.
That's all fancy.
Woo! Life right up just like Mary.
Got the comfiest couch ever possible.
Yeah, I was saying to Julie, I was like, we should get this one because it has American flags on it. And then the other one had articulating head. Fashion.
This room is weird because it's like wood. Like all around it's wood.
Yeah, it's a triple wood. It's the Canadian tuxedo
crazy.
of rooms. The bed's carved out of wood too. Thick as board. They got beer wine at the beer wine. No, it's not beer in wine. It's beer wine.
Oh my gosh.
How do you do that, Rob? We are gearing up to take the first hike. Stormy is taking his 37th piss. Here we go. Beer wine, only $5. Ain't beer, ain't wine. These are the bikes available for renting. Look a little bigger in the picture. I call the blue one. This looks like the tree from Fern Gully. In the video, just walk normal.
Look at that pretty pop.
So this is normally underwater. Pretend you're swimming, babe. Avatar.
What we do in this life echoes in eternity.
If you fall, we might go viral, so it's a win-win. On the upside. Alright. See if I can do it. Easy money. My long giraffe legs. Get to see. Step over the ravine. So cool.
So you can say we skipped away our afternoon.
Came back from our hike and enjoyed some delicious tea and a beautiful sunset to end off the evening.
Hot take.
Hot take.
Oh, Hershey's isn't that great. It's milk chocolate.
Milk chocolate.
Yeah. It's funny you should say that. Key, folks, the key. You want it to look like predator skin.
You're one ugly mother.
And then you peel it off, and underneath is the most ooey gooey you could imagine. Peel off the predator skin. And there it is.
A beauty. Oh, yes.
You could eat this just like this.
Or you
Put
could
that
go
in your
back.
s'more, or you could twice bake it.
Yes.
And we're gonna boil it for more.
Show them, babe. Beautiful.
Will he go in for the thrice baked? He just might. Delicious. Delicious. That's a little dipper.
Nothing like good old-fashioned s'mores and great conversations around a hot fire out in the middle of nowhere. We really needed this, and it was the perfect end to our first day of glamping.
Come out. You don't have to boil water on a
You guys are so cute. Yes, good boys.
Yeah, we're not that high. Are we go along this, or are we stopping here?
What do you want to do, Barb?
Yeah, it's just somewhere here. This is where it starts, so we could walk along the edge of the
Babe, didn't the place you jumped from was higher?
These fish are huge. Yes, Uncle Remus, I know the catfish are huge.
Good boy. Oh, cute.
I recognize that you like me.
recognize that. Aww.
Pretzels.
In Ireland, we went on a
No, my mouth is really dry.
That's cute. I would say we went on a hike with Trader Joe's dill pickle mustard.
That is top notch. This is the sponsor of today's video.
Simplicity of life.
It says cool here.
It says 0. I used to love these a lot, but I think I ate too many with Mr. Bucko and the kids.
Well, now we're up from our nap and we got some cornhole and some authentic sun tea that's been brewing all day in these fancy cups.
I was like,
Whoa!
oh, nice! Oh! Woo! Nice, Mom! Oh! Good job!
Oh!
I don't understand! I followed through! I don't get it!
Oh, there it is.
That one was crazy. Now it just went straight down.
The W. We've never seen a performance like that. We got a game time athlete here. What do you have to say to the people?
It was meant to be.
It was meant to be. Losers make the burgers.
Oh!
Here it is. Oh, that's sulfur.
Ugh, stinky. Nice. Nice! Oh!
Cleaner.
I want to get a close up of Julia's throw. There's no fall.
Oh, another roller.
Just have to zoom in.
You just go. It's almost like a pump fake, like you're not really gonna do it. Then it just
Look!
Julia's
fall
better.
through.
Oh. Oh.
Maybe.
Oh.
She said, "Take this." Alright.
Zen. Focus.
Unagi. Yes!
That unagi word.
9-7. Oh!
Just stop.
It's fair now.
Everyone's happy. That was a cool shot. Like a drone shot.
No, because it's in 0.5. In our iced tea and mug containers. Stormy has got a bodybuilder booty. It's so puffy. Peach classes at Peach's Fitness Club. Shout out to Peaches. Pretty good.
Ask for
1,
2.
2. Beautiful.
Yeah, it's the
called her a
skill.
cheater.
It's the skill of being able to
How
deal
would I
cards
do
to
that?
yourself.
Okay, I think
Very well.
I think somebody else needs to deal.
Gee.
No,
Oh!
it's good to
And for the
bad.
record, being able to deal with it is way cool.
The highest card wins?
Yeah, so I have a king. What do you have?
Oh.
You thought you had it, didn't you?
Look, it's the king and the queen.
Aww.
S'mores time! No, that was for me, sir. Yeah. you know when you can't have something when you want it? And
That's so you.
my house. My beautiful view.
Goodbye, cabin. Goodbye, fire pit. Goodbye, mosquito trap. Goodbye, cornhole alley.
Reminds me of Friends. Or not Friends. Cars.
Friends.